Welcome to Miami Visuals. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make residual commissions every month with your affiliate link. Now you're on the Miami Visuals affiliate area. All you got to do is click Get Your Affiliate button. This is basically how it works. Step 1. Log in or sign up. Once you log in on your Miami Visuals account, you will be able to access your affiliate dashboard to control everything. Step 2. Get your unique link. Copy your unique affiliate link and connect your PayPal to get your monthly commission. Step 3. Share your link. Share your affiliate link with every contact and entrepreneur that needs a business website. Step 4. Get paid residual income. When your contacts activate an account, you will get paid a 20% monthly residual commission. Get full access on your affiliate's dashboard. And now you're ready to receive non-stop payments with your residual commission. Now let's access your dashboard. Now you're on your dashboard. You can now see how many contacts clicked, how many registrations are made, how much earnings you get, and the number of all active subscriptions. You'll also see all the transactions by day. In here we have 17 clicks on your affiliate link. 4 contacts have registered. Those 4 contacts also subscribed, which generated $340 in total in just one day. Next, on the Links tab, is you can create as many affiliate links as you can for different platforms that you have to share with everybody that needs a website and funnel and get your monthly commission when people activate an account. Here's a default link that we have created for you, but you have full freedom to create your links. To create your own link, click on Create a Link, then type in the extension you want for your link. You can also add a note. Remember, once you click Save, you won't be able to change the extension of the link. If ever you change your mind and you don't want to use the link anymore, click on this pencil icon under Settings and click on Disable. Remember, when you disable a link, it will be deleted from your list. This is how the link works. Your link will take your audience to miamivisuals.com, and on this page, all they have to do is register and fill in the info for their account. Then once they activate, you get your commission right away. As simple as that. Next, on the Banners tab, we created a design that you can use to promote your link. You can copy the code here on the right and add it on your advertisements online. You can also choose on which link the code will take your audiences to. The link you choose will automatically be applied to the code on the right side of the design. These banners are free to use on advertising your link if you need a design. On the Payouts tab, you can also request payments for your commissions. Here you will see your current balance, locked balance, and the amount available for withdrawal. From the blue button, you can withdraw your funds. That generates a pending request and complete payout. You'll also see the history of payouts in this dashboard. On the Settings tab, you can see your commission percentage, your personal information, and your billing information. In here, you can add your PayPal account. Just type in your information, and which will be shown on your payout request. Then click Save Changes. Control all your links and payments in one place, and have an amazing, easy-to-use platform. Earn a 20% recurring commission for every new customer that activates a business website using your link. This is how you take advantage of Miami Visuals affiliate program. This is Miami Visuals. Thanks for watching.